Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is the Orc Warrior from Sideshow Weta. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into the box. And this is another statue I got from Ben Shank. Thank you, Ben. And let's get right into it. I'm excited about this one because I don't have an orc yet. So really excited about this one. Let's open it right up. Top. Like I said, I don't have any orcs yet. Everything's been like good guys, or the only orc I have would be like a helm, but I don't actually have any orc statues yet. So I'm really excited about this one. There we go. Easy. Oh, this looks cool. This looks really, really cool. Okay, yep. Face is separate. And this is sculpted by Bill Hunt. From Bill Hunt there. And like normal, they have the map on the base. Okay, now let's see here. This is going to be cool. Take it out very carefully. There we go. Got him. Pretty cool. I love his stance. I don't know what he might be looking up to, but... And that's weird. Maybe one eye is white and one eye is black. Maybe they forgot to paint one of his eyes there. I don't know what happened there. But the axe is pretty cool that he's holding here. And yeah, no, this is really, really cool statue, but I'm just wondering what happened to his eye. One of them's white, one of them's like painted black. So I'll show you some close-ups here and to show you what it looks like. But overall, pretty cool statue. Let's show you some close-ups now. So here is the Orc Warrior. Show you some close-ups here. Again, overall looks really, really cool, rustic, and all that. And I found out that eye is supposed to be like that. You can see his white eye there, and one of them's black. And his mouth is just all gnarly and everything. And look at his armor. That is really, really cool. Like really dirty and gritty. And I think that's his for his arrows, quiver. If he had any arrows, and his hair is looking pretty gnarled up there too. It looks like he's also wearing chainmail, or is that just his leg? Looking real gnarled up. There's his, you can see his armored boots. That's pretty cool. And just the way he's looking there. Oh no, oh, that's pretty cool looking, I think. And then look at this axe. And gripping it as he was going into battle here. That's a pretty gnarled up axe. Old, very, very old looking. Pretty cool though. And then you can see his front there. All his clothing. Yeah, no, I like this orc. It's pretty cool. And he's from the Fellowship of the Ring. So yeah, he's a pretty cool orc. Yeah, so this is a really, really cool orc. So I really like it. Comment down below what you guys thought of this Orc Warrior. And like and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and to stay tuned for more upcoming videos that I'm going to be bringing. And see you guys in the next video. Bye now.